Hello everyone, in today's video, we are focusing on a critical task for system administrators and power users, managing proxy settings in Windows 11. Whether you're looking to resolve connectivity issues by disabling an active proxy, or you need to enhance security by preventing users from changing these settings, this method is very useful for ensuring your network remains stable and your settings stay exactly as they are. Well, by examining the current system status of the proxy section, as you can see, the settings are currently available and active, and the user is able to easily configure the proxy settings without any restrictions. Beyond the modern settings menu, there is another traditional way to access proxy settings through the control panel by clicking on Internet Options. Clicking on the Connections tab, and then the LAN settings button at the bottom will display the proxy server settings. As you can see, these settings are currently fully accessible, meaning users can easily bypass network settings or use their own proxy server without any restrictions. Therefore, I'll show you how to apply a simple restriction that locks these settings at the system level, making it impossible for the average user to change them. Okay, let's begin. In the search box on the taskbar, type Edit Group Policy and click on it to open the local group policy editor window. This is the best way to enforce system-wide restrictions. Now, on the left, click to expand the path to find our target. The path is displayed on your screen, and you'll definitely find it in the video description. On the right side, scroll down until you find the policy called Prevent Changing Proxy Settings, and double-click it to open it. Next, look at the description on the right. As you can see, if you enable this policy setting, the user will not be able to configure proxy settings. So, I'll select the enabled option. This is the level of control we want to prevent the user from changing or configuring the proxy settings. Then, click the Apply button and OK to activate the policy. And close the local group policy editor window. After implementing the policy, go to Settings, click on Network and Internet, and then click on Proxy again. You'll immediately notice a significant change. At the top, a new message will appear in blue. Some of these settings are managed by your organization. This is the first sign that our group policy is working perfectly. If you try to click on the Setup buttons for the manual proxy or the setup script, you'll see that the toggle switches are now completely grayed out and inactive. Even if a user opens these windows, they cannot click Save or modify any of the fields. Everything is locked down tight, exactly as we intended. I will also check the settings in the traditional control panel. After clicking on Internet Options, and then clicking on the Connections tab, you will immediately notice a yellow information bar at the bottom that wasn't there before, which says, some settings are managed by your system administrator, meaning that the policy is working. Also, when you click on the LAN settings button, as you can see in the second image, the entire proxy server section is disabled. The Use a Proxy Server for your LAN checkbox is disabled, and the address and port fields are locked. The user can see the settings, but they are completely unable to interact with them or change a single digit. This is the perfect way to ensure your network configuration remains exactly as you set it, without any risk of manual interference. Now, if you ever need to restore these settings or make changes in the future, the process is just as simple. Just go back into the Group Policy Editor, navigate to the same path, and open the Prevent Changing Proxy Settings policy again. This time, switch the selection back to Not Configured. Once you hit Apply and OK, all the proxy options in both the settings menu and the control panel will be unlocked and fully accessible again. If you liked the video, click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.